Hey guys, let me show you how to quickly print this printer status report on HP DeskJet 2827e series printers. This is what it looks like. It's got all the information you need. If you got like a used printer and you just quickly want to find out how many pages it has ran and stuff like that. This one only has 17 pages printed on it. That's in its lifetime. So over here, the number is only going to go up. So it doesn't change after each cartridge replacement. This is total pages printed on a printer. And that really helps out if you're trying to sell or use a printer to kind of give you an idea of how long it's been used and how much life has got left in it. So then we have the ink levels on here, and it also shows that all colors look very good. So this is pretty simple. You don't need your phone for that or the app. You of course can do it off your phone, but this is just a quick, easy way if you don't want to connect it. So what you do basically is make sure the printer is on and the cartridges are in good order. You have the paper loaded in the tray, and on this control panel, we're going to press and hold the X button or the cancel button for about 3 to 5 seconds. As soon as you hear the printer do something like now, let go of the button there and it's going to print out the report for us. So super simple. Now it's 18 pages printed right here. And then at the bottom, we just have a quick explanation of the icons that you see, or the buttons over here. Power, cancel, resume, Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure you knew that by now, but this is kind of pretty cool. And very easy to print out. So please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.